So I thought I'd make a quick video on this boat ramp I made. This is a 14-foot aluminum boat with a 15 horsepower Johnson motor. Now, before we had this boat ramp, we weren't able to just park it at the dock here.
Yeah.
Because it would get filled up with water, and obviously that boat doesn't have a bilge pump. So this wasn't that hard to make. We just took some 2x6s and I used some aluminum angle and I attached some caster wheels to it. I'll show you how it works. So I removed the handle from it because it's dangerous. It's also tied. There's a redundancy here in case it does slip. I have it tied here. But this is just a regular trailer winch. Now there's no plug in the boat, huh?
Oh, no plug.
No. Okay, let's pull it back in. Let's pull it back in. Okay. I'm gonna tilt it. I'm gonna lock it now. So we're gonna lock it. Not that we get any thefts here, but that's locked. So for these seats, the wing nuts are very difficult to reach. So what I did was I took a piece of pipe and I bent it. So now I have a tool to get in there. You can really tighten these down. Okay, so we take the boat out now? And that's the way it stays until next summer. So the motor is covered and no snow will go inside the boat. So this bench doubles as a bench and a storage for a motor and the boat. If you want to have a closer look, sorry, I don't have my audio equipment, so you're gonna have some wind So all I did was use a piece of aluminum plate here and attach caster wheels to it. Just regular casters. And here, the wood is just reinforced with some angle. Everything is aluminum and the hardware is stainless. We made this thing maybe, well, over 10 years ago. And it saves a lot of time.